Hello guys, welcome to our channel Makeout Smasher. If you are from a tier 3 college, if you don't have a big campus placement, if companies don't visit your college, and you are thinking, can I really get IT job in 2026? Then this video is for you. Today I will give you a complete practical realistic roadmap. No fake motivation, no unrealistic 50 LPA, dream talk, only clear steps that actually work. If you follow this roadmap seriously for 6 to 12 months, you can break into IT, even from Tier 3 college. So let's start. So we should understand about the job market. So in 2026, companies are hiring for software development, data analysis or data science, DevOps or cloud engineering, cybersecurity, IML, quality assurance or testing, software testing engineers, support and IT services role. But the important truth is, companies don't care about your college. They care about your skills, your projects, the problem solving, communication. So stop thinking the tier 3 problem. Start thinking the skill gap problem. So you should choose the one clear path. The big mistake students make learning Python, Java, React, machine learning, blockchain, cybersecurity, and 20 YouTube courses. But result, nothing strong. So you need to choose one path. For example, if you like coding, so you should know about backend and DSA. Very strong foundation if you will you need. If you like UI, so you should be good at front end and UIs and front end development projects. You should hands-on projects or hands-on website you already deployed. If you like the data, you should know Python, SQL or Power BI, not in a smaller way, in depth. So if you like security, you can learn networking, Linux and security basics, and also you should make a project. So clarity gives the speed, and you need the strong foundation. No matter what path, you must learn one programming language. For Java or Python or C, C++ can also be there. Data structure and algorithm basics, you should know the array, string, recursion, sorting, stack, queue, linked list, and basic trees. You don't need advanced competitive programming level, but you must solve at least 200 plus problems or the idea. Platform you can use lead code, jigs for jigs. So the next you can see in the screen. You must build minimum 3 strong project. It can be full stack, login, authentication, database should be there, REST API project, and one real world project. Okay, not like clone. What you can contribute to the open source or what you can do unique features you can add in your project or in already available project, what you can add from your site unique. If data path sales dashboard can be data cleaning, visualization, SQL based analytic projects. If cybersecurity, there should be network scanning demo, vulnerability scanning, Linux, and host your project on GitHub, Render or Vercel or AWS free tier account. Okay, so the resume should be, you can say, it should be a one page. No school level achievement, no unnecessary objective. Focus on skills, project, LinkedIn URL, your GitHub account URL, your education details, your latest qualification, from which college you pass out, which year, your current CGPA, okay, internship, certification, projects, and you can mention your portfolio also. And also numbers create impact, okay. And for internship purpose, tier 3 student must aggressively apply for internship, LinkedIn, Angel List, company websites. Even unpaid internship for 2 to 3 months gives the experience, the confidence. Okay. resume strength. Don't wait for perfect internship, take the opportunity, learn and upgrade. And also the LinkedIn strategy, I can give you the suggestion that most tier 3 student ignore this. So you should do optimize your LinkedIn headline, means aspiring backend developer or Java, Spring Boot, and every week you need to post what you learn, projects, what you learned from the tools, technology, their history, what is unique for you. It can be anything like soft skill, IT skills, connect with HR, recruiter, developers. Also in job portal, based on your skill, you should search there. Okay. Networking also gives the interviews, and apply smartly. Don't just apply 500 job blindly. Apply in service based or companies, startups, mid-size IT company, remote job, and daily target you should be 10 to 50, 15 quality application, and track in Excel. Okay. And for interview preparation, for a technical round, you should or aptitude should be prepared also. For technical round, basics of your language, oops, DBMS, SQL query, operating system, computer networking basics. Okay. And for HR round, you should must prepare. Tell me about yourself. Why should we hire you? Explain your project and weaknesses. So you should practice the speaking quality. Okay. And communication still matter today. Here you can see in the screen the job search platforms. Okay. The salary reality fast from tier 3, you can expect 3 to 6 LPA is normal. Don't compare with IIT reels. First goal, enter the industry. After 2 years, switch to big growth. Means experience here really matter more. Okay. The common mistakes to avoid: learning without building, watching courses but no practice. Okay. Fear of applying, waiting for campus, no LinkedIn presence, no DSA practice. Why? You should do that. As a IT student, you should active in LinkedIn, actively post on LinkedIn what you learn, actively update your GitHub projects, what happened in recent technical growth. Okay. So 6 to 12 month timeline, I can say that for first 1 to 3 months programming and DSA you should practice and build the foundation. No one will hire you if in interview you actually not solve the basic problems, basic mathematical problem you cannot solve. No one will hire you. If you cleared the DSA round, or you can say the aptitude round, no one will hire you if you in real HR or in the presence of recruiter you cannot solve anything. Okay. And projects plus GitHub, internship and advanced concepts, and apply and interview preparation. So if you stay consistent, 2026 is achievable because new jobs are coming. Okay. So here you can see you should very good communicate with your college alumni, online communities, industry events. Okay. Okay. My final advice would be tier 3 college is not your destiny, skill is your identity. I have seen average student getting IT jobs, toppers struggling because no practical skills. Consistency beats the college tag. Okay. So if you are serious, start today. And if this roadmap helped you, comment in 2026 IT job below. Share this with your friends from tier 3 colleges. And subscribe for IT job roadmap, resume review tips, interview preparation guidelines, real career advice. So see you in the next video, but before that I will show you something for you. So in the screen you can see I have opened 3 YouTube channel. First, my surgery. This is very old channel and they update consistently, and the teacher is Saurav Shukla sir, very authentic teacher and very experienced teacher. It is really matter from whom you study, from which teacher you can take as a guide for your career. Okay. So here you can see daily live session actually happening every Sunday 9 p.m. and for a career guidance, and lots of videos and playlists are there, and really you can get lo- lots of learning opportunities from this. Okay, JavaScript is there, SQL, and in old class C language, Python I should recommend, because this tutorial really helped a lot of students. Okay, and really authentic, not like random code with any Python videos. If you watch this, you get the quality content in minimum time. Okay, and also the series also, there are lots of podcast is there. Okay, and online study for you, the another important channel, you can actually get the placement notifications or job notification from here. So you can watch these video tutorials, and TCS or lots of job opportunity subjects they give. And another is Ashish Kumar. This channel they really update very infrequent manner. Okay, lots of companies they provide the link in the description box, you can apply through this. So thanks for watching.